Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play word search. To begin, you'll see a grid filled with letters and a list of words to find. Your goal is to locate every word from the list within the letter grid. Words can be hidden in 8 different directions, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally, and they can be spelled forwards or backwards. As you find each word, mark it off your list and highlight it in the puzzle. To find words more efficiently, try scanning the grid for common letter combinations or unique letters like Q or Z. Another helpful strategy is to look for the first letter of a word and then check all 8 surrounding directions for the next letter. Many players find it useful to tackle longer words first, as their unique letter patterns can stand out more. You can also systematically search row by row or column by column. For a more advanced approach, consider using a ruler to help your eyes track across rows or columns, preventing you from getting lost. Many word searches are built around a specific theme, which can give you clues about the types of words to expect. You might also use different colored highlighters to categorize words or simply to make your completed puzzle more visually appealing. For an extra challenge, try puzzles with larger grids or those that don't provide a word list. Word search games offer numerous benefits beyond just entertainment. They can help improve your focus, expand your vocabulary, and enhance your pattern recognition skills. Whether you prefer to play solo for a relaxing mental break or compete with friends, there are many ways to enjoy these puzzles. You can find them in various formats, from digital apps to traditional puzzle books. Remember to take breaks to keep your eyes fresh and your mind sharp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.